Hello, my name is Megan from Denver Yoga Social, and I am here at Flight Co., one of our many venues for yoga classes across the Denver city, and I am here to teach you tree pose or Vrksasana. So to start, you're going to root down through your left foot and kickstand your right. From here, you get to choose where you want your right foot. So it can be on your inner ankle, it can be on your calf, or maybe you lift it all the way up to your inner thigh. Please just avoid the knee joint. The knee joint does not bend that way. So you want to go below or above the knee. Now from here, press your heel into your inner thigh. Bring your palms to heart center. Begin to lengthen through the crown of your head, long spine, and breathe up and down your spine. If you want to find some different arm variations, you can grow branches or embody whatever you feel a tree is. Take your breath. And then gently begin to return that right foot down and switch sides. Root down through your right foot, kickstand your left foot. Again, find the right placement for your foot. And then kick into your heel as much as you press back into that foot and find your length. Maybe you choose a different arm variation like reverse prayer. Again, this pose can be very expressive and powerful. You're rooting down to rise up. And release. Thanks so much. Take care.